What if the reason you can't focus isn't a lack of motivation, but the environment you're working in? Today I'm showing you a website called Wonderspace that aims to turn your computer into a distraction-free productivity zone and help you stay focused for longer without making work feel boring. Wonderspace is an online productivity workspace built around focus sessions and the Pomodoro technique, which is a simple method where you work for a set amount of time and then take short breaks. But unlike many basic timer apps, Wonderspace adds a relaxing visual experience with beautiful study backgrounds, ambient sounds, customizable themes, task management tools, focus tracking, and even Spotify integration. The idea is to create a digital space that actually makes you want to sit down and work. One of the best features is the huge collection of aesthetic environments. Whether you prefer cozy study rooms, nature scenes, anime-inspired backgrounds, city views, or relaxing live environments, there is a good chance you'll find something that matches your style. You can also add sounds like rain, waves, birds, and other ambient effects to create a more immersive workspace. Another useful feature is the built-in focus tracker that lets you monitor your work sessions and productivity over time. There are also to-do lists, journaling tools, and customizable focus timers, which means you don't need to switch between multiple apps while studying or working. Looking at user reactions, many people seem to enjoy the relaxing atmosphere and the fact that everything is combined into one place. The aesthetic design is often mentioned as one of the main reasons people keep using it. On the downside, Wonderspace doesn't have as many independent reviews as larger productivity tools, and some advanced features are only available through the premium subscription. If you're looking for deep project management features, this probably isn't the platform for you. But if your goal is simply to focus better, reduce distractions, and create a more enjoyable work environment, it does a solid job. My honest opinion is that Wonderspace stands out because it focuses on making productivity feel pleasant, rather than forcing it. It won't magically solve procrastination, but it can make it easier to get into a focused mindset and stay there longer. If you've been struggling to concentrate while studying, working, or learning something new, this is definitely a tool worth trying. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe for more AI and productivity tools, and let me know in the comments which focus app helps you stay productive the most.